সাহিত্যিক সাংস্কৃতিক ব্যক্তিত্ববৃন্দ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজ নজরুল একাডেমি আয়োজিত নজরুল টিভির সুন্দর অনুষ্ঠানে অংশগ্রহণের সুযোগ করে দেওয়ার জন্য আমি নজরুল একাডেমি কর্তৃপক্ষের প্রতি আমার কৃতজ্ঞতা পোষণ করছি এবং আমি বিশেষভাবে কৃতজ্ঞ নজরুল একাডেমির সাধারণ সম্পাদক বিশেষ কৃতজ্ঞ জনাব মিন্টুর রহমান এবং তার সহকর্মীদের প্রতি। আমি জাতীয় কবি বিদ্রোহী কবি কাজী নজরুল ইসলামের কালজয়ী সৃষ্টি বিদ্রোহী কবিতার ইংরেজি অনুবাদের বিনীত প্রচেষ্টা চালিয়েছিলাম এবং আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি দ্য ডেইলি নিউ নেশনকে আমার অনুদিত দি রিবেল কবিতাটি তাদের সাপ্লিমেন্ট পেজে কবি নজরুল ইসলামের জন্মদিন উপলক্ষে যে সাপ্লিমেন্ট পেজ ছিল সেখানে সেটা পাবলিশ করার জন্য আমি দর্শক শ্রোতার জন্য আমার দি রিবেল কবিতাটি এখন উপস্থাপন করছি। The Rebel by Qazi Nazrul Islam. Declare my hate is the highest. Witnessing my hate goes down the Himalayas. Declare, O hero, surpassing the inordinate sky of the universe, leaving behind the sun, moon, planets and the stars, crossing the earth, the heaven and the space above, piercing the throne of the Lord. I, the Spirit, the wonder of God, am raised. The Lord Rudra sparks on my forehead, marking the victory. Declare, O hero, declare my hate is ever the highest. I am the unbeatable, the cruel, never bowing down determination. I am the dancing Shiva of final destruction, the cyclone, the devastation. I am the supreme fear, the imperfection on earth. I am insatiable, I destroy in pieces all the obstacles. I am undisciplined, out of control. I get the bondages put, smashed, all the rules and chains. I do not obey any law. I make the loaded ships sink. I am the torpedo, the armed warrior beam, the mine floating. I am the Gurjati, the mistimed Vaishaki's rough-haired storm. I am the rebel, the rebellious son of the God of universe. Declare, O hero, declare my hate is ever the highest. I am the tempest, I am the whirlwind, paving the ways in front everything I bring. I am the lunatic piteous rhythm, dancing on my own tune. I am the free joy of life. I am the Hamid, the child, the swinging Hindu. I proceed through rhythmic fantasy. While proceeding, swaying back and forth, I whirl in a charming role. I am the joyous, jolly Hindu. I act as I choose, being my mind's disciple. I embrace my foes, with death I grapple. I am insane, the stormy mirth, and the epidemic, the terror on earth. I'm the ruling terror, destruction, and the careless forever restless. Declare, O hero, declare my hate is ever the highest. I am the frenetic forever, the indomitable. I am the non-dominated, the cup of my life is always filled with dizzying liquor. I am the holy flame, the fire accompanied Jamadagni. I am the sacrificing ritual, the priest, the flame Agni. I am the creation, the demolition, the human habitation, the cremation ground. I am the ending of the night profound. I am the son of Indrani, moon in my hand and sun on my forehead. In one of my hands I carry the flute, and in the other the warrior's trumpet. I am the blue sword of Shiva, poisoned with poison churned from the ocean of pain. I am Bomkesh, holding the flowing streams of the Gangotri to restrain. Declare, O hero, declare my head is ever the highest. I am the monk, the melodious soldier. I am the prince, my royal garment is faded, Gerwa gesture. I am the Bedouin, the Chinese myself. I never go down to anyone except myself. I am the thunder, the holy enchant, Om, from the Ishan's horn. I am the tremendous blast of Israfil's trumpet. I am the drum of Shiva's hand, the trident, the sustaining God's gong. I am the chakra and the Lord's golden conch, the mighty primordial scream. I am the restive Durvasa, the Vishwamitra's disciple. I am the burning bright fire, I will fill up the world. I am the spirit pouring laughter, the disaster cruel against creation. I am the demonic blessing, the 12th son of tremendous destruction. Sometimes tranquil, sometimes blistering, and sometimes carelessly willful. I am the squalling turbulence, the ocean's ecstatic roaring. I am the magnificent, the bold, radiant lightning. I am the shaking, splashing stream, halo of the sun swinging. I am a maiden's free hairy flow, the flame of her ravishing eyesight. I am the teenager's heart, fierce in love. I am the thankful delight. I am the carefree heart of a distracted soul. I am the grief-choked chest of a widow, the sad sighs of sorrowful. I am the suppressed sadness of all the street-living hopeless wanderers. I am the agony of the cast-aside class, the poisonous pain, a painful verse, relieving desires. I am the saddened oaths of the ever-distressed mind, the closed bosom pain. I am the lover in disguise, to steal the first kiss of the first sensational stream of the maiden. I am the starter of a secret admirer in a tricky way of loving. And love a smart maiden, the sound of her bangles jingling. I am forever a child, a peasant forever. I am the wailing gesture of a young lady bell filled with shameful fear. I am the north wind, I am the Malabar's breeze, the southern air. I am the deep tune of a balladeur's song sung without playing lyre. I am the thirsty request of the midday. I am the blazing hot sun. I am the stream in desert flowing, the green landscape posture. I rush with extreme joy out of frenzies. What an insane! I am insane. Suddenly know myself, I am free of bondages. I am the rise, I am the downfall. I am the sensible senselessly. I am the world-curing cruise, the flag exhibiting human victory. I proceed stormy with windy clapping, holding the heaven and earth in my hand. The swift barrage and Uchashava carry my card, calling brave and grand. I am the volcano on earth, the increasing flame, the fire of final destruction. I am the intoxicated fire beneath the soil. I am the merry making noise. Riding thunders, I keep on flying high, escaping in exaggeration, being terror, I make the birds terrified, creating earthquake. I catch hold of the snake god Vasuki's boot. I grab the fiery wings of heavenly angel Jibrail. I am the Dev infant, the vivacious. I am cricket. I playfully cheer Mother Earth's wing. I am the fluid of Orpheus, lullaby for the restless ocean, to make the universe sleep, adorable calmness to gain. The tune of my flute is irresistible. I am the flute in Krishna's hand. With anger when I dart across the spatial sky, in fear the seven hells, Habya gradually fades away. I am the rebel bearer all over the universe, wide and high. I am the flood-provoking stream of Shravan. I get the fertile earth warmly received, sometimes destructive, sometimes able to harvest. I will snatch away both of the paramours from the Lord Vishnu's chest. I am the injustice, I am the omen, I am the Saturn, I am the burning comet, the poisonous king cobra. I am the beheaded Kali, the warlord devastating. I smile, flowers smile, on the hellfire sitting. I am produced with clay, the supreme formation. I am ageless, I am immortal, I am indomitable creation. I am the fear of humans, demons and gods. Of the universe, I am the never conquerable. The Ishwar, the Lord of the world, truthfully the best of a human being. I churn through the heaven, hell and earth rhythmically dancing. I am insane, I am insane. Suddenly I have known myself. I am free of bondages. I am the valorous ex of Parshuram, demolishing the caste Kshatriya. I will create a world peacefully calm. I am the yoke on Balram's shoulder. I will uproot the world of dependency in the great joy of new creation. I am the great rebel, tired of war. That day will catalyze calmness in my restless desire. The day the cries of suppressed won't get echoed around. The oppressor's cruel sword won't stigmatize the battleground. The rebellion tired of war. That day will catalyze calmness in my restless desire. Being rebellious regal on the Lord's bosom, I will stamp my footmark. Being the Creator Himself, the agony-giving, whimsical Lord's chest, I will tear apart. Being the rebellious regal on the Lord's bosom, I will stamp my footmark. I will tear the whimsical Lord's chest apart. I am the ever-rebel hero, rising alone, leaving behind the universe, my hate the highest. I don't know what you